This is a great method for joining stripes in the round without a jog. Knit to the very end of the round on your last round of your stripe. And then slip the last stitch to the left needle. Make a yarn over with your next color and slip the last stitch back to the right needle. You will be continuing to knit with the color that you made the yarn over with. There's no need to keep your gauge loose here. Just tighten it up as you usually would to avoid ladders, and the yarn over will keep your gauge nice and loose enough so that nothing will pull. Knit all the way around to the end of the round, and you will find the yarn over you created with the current color that you're using, as well as that last stitch with your previous color. You're just going to knit those two together. And if it's a little bit loose, you can just pull on that previous color to tighten everything up and make your gauge perfect. And just continue to knit those stripes, and you're going to do this on every stripe to keep that join perfect and jog free.